Libra. Libra, I did not channel any messages for you, but welcome and welcome back to my channel. You can go down in the description box if you'd like to purchase anything from my Printify shop. Gifting season is right around the corner. If you would like to send me a gift, my wish list is down there as well. Libra. Messages for Libra, Holy Spirit. Eight of Swords. It's over. Okay, you feeling captured or being captured is over. Strength. Things are being restored. You're on your way. Okay, you've become the journeyman. You're about to take the Fool. Two of Wands in reverse. There's restoration. You figure something out. You chose. You made a choice, a decision. I hear this evening. This evening, we got the Knight of Pentacles coming. Landing at your doorstep. Something you long awaited for. Yep, look at that, yo. Six of Wands. How it fell out. The Six of Wands. And we got the 10 of Cups here. You've been restored. Restoration is at your door. I don't even know if we got anything else to say. You've been restored. Restoration is at your door. Okay, expect to hear a knock, a doorbell, an email, a message, a text now app. You've been restored. Anything else here for the Libra? Let's wait. Libra, there's a voicemail that maybe you missed or that you need to check. Okay, check your messages. Oshun, fearless love. Okay, check your spam box. There's an opportunity. This could be a sponsorship. Gang Sarah and the Resistance. This is coming out of nowhere. Yep, this is unexpected. This card ain't even supposed to be in here. This is unexpected. We're not expecting this to have happened. Check your emails. Check the email account that you don't usually check. Say your main one is Gmail, but you got a secondary account that's like Yahoo. Check it. Liberation. Queen Mother Nani. Something puts you on the map. Something gives you exposure. A beam of light. Oh yeah, storms is coming. A beam of light is coming. Something is being divinely orchestrated, Libra. Like, there's seasons. Yeah, you can't even explain this. Nana Buluku's here. You can't even explain this. Cosmic power, tonique pleasure. This is something unexplainable. This is like you going live on TikTok and you ask people, do they want to join? And it's a huge celebrity that get on. And you're shocked. This is that type energy. Like, this is unexplainable. God is about to move wonders in your life, yo. Miracles. God is about to move miracles in your life. To meet with pleasure. Miracles. You are in the energy of miraculously bountiful gifts. Things are happening unexpectedly. Things for you too shall be bountiful. You shall have plenty. Things shall be great. Here they come. I'm telling you. 33 could be significant. Somebody could have a vision board. I feel like you're about to get everything on your vision board. Like a blast from the past. The universe is opening. Doors is opening for you. Libra. Yep, you too. I keep hearing it. You too shall have plenty. I hear living my life like this golden gift. Mature man. It's a delivery, yo. Toil and labor is in the reverse. Change is in the reverse. Bad health is in the reverse. So you're going from like rags to riches. Yep. Yep. It's owed to you. It's from the past. Somebody about to rise like a phoenix. The Lovers. Crown could be on fire right now. Crown chakra could be enlightened right now. Somebody could be Muslim. I hear masjid. Libra. Yeah. The Lovers came out. Wow. Libra, there's going to be a ceremony of matrimony. You have become one. I hear when doves fly. 1515, sacred wisdom you're being entrusted with. Be still. You won't have to pinch yourself. I'm going to leave your message here.